In today's digital learning era, how do we keep students engaged and inspired? The answer: interactive tools that foster connection and spark curiosity. In this project, Zuhusni Norsyam and Mohammed Shahar are involved in the EZ Lightboard, bridging real and virtual learning. The aims and objectives of the EZ Lightboard project are advanced teaching aids, quick setup, affordable and portable. The EZ Lightboard enhances online teaching with powerful features. Educators can write while facing the camera, keeping students engaged through eye contact. It supports adding live graphics and pictures, sparking creativity in lessons. Teachers can also display software presentations directly on the Lightboard for a seamless experience. Plus, it's fully compatible with platforms like Zoom, WebEx, and other virtual classrooms, making it the perfect tool for interactive and dynamic online learning. What makes the EZ Lightboard unique? It's designed to increase productivity by saving speaker energy, maintaining focus, and reducing time. Unlike bulky and expensive full-scale lightboards, EZ Lightboard is more affordable and convenient. Using acrylic plexiglass, plastic clamps, and LED strips, it's lightweight and portable. With perfectly designed hollow access for effortless PC control and a stress-free setup, anyone can use it with ease. EZ Lightboard: simple, effective, and built for modern learning. Perfect for teachers, lecturers, professionals, seminars, businesses, workshops, and performances. EZ Lightboard brings real class experience to online learning, offers flexible, handwriting-based teaching, and reduces learning stress during challenging times like the COVID-19 outbreak. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set up the EZ Lightboard. Place the base plate. Insert the LED strip into the bottom slot. Position the plexiglass and stand. Attach the clamp to the table. Turn on the LED light and enjoy using the EZ Lightboard. Thank you for watching. Experience the future of learning with EZ Lightboard.